I know, right?
Yeah.
I have a new look. I cut my hair a few days ago.
Yep.
And there is something I have to tell you.
What?
I am pregnant.
Oh my god.
And you want to know what the gender is?
What?
It's a girl.
What's her name?
I haven't decided yet.
Huh?
I haven't decided yet.
Mm.
Yeah, as you saw, I grew out into my kid years. And we're now in our late 20s, about to be 30, so.
Oh wait, I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
I'll be right back.
I should probably not look in there. I'm gonna take a dip in the water, okay?
Okay.
Oh, this feels nice. Flower, do you want to come? Do you want to come swim with me? I'm bored.
I'm coming. I have a gift for you.
What is it?
It's a welcome back gift. Here.
I mean, I've been back though.
I know, I just forgot about it.
Let's see what's in here.
It was meant to be for you, but now the thing can happen.
That's cute. And now I'm gonna have to buy some baby stuff. I don't know where I'm gonna put this though.
You can put it in the room.
Okay, I'll put it in my bedroom for now. Ow! I hurt myself. It seems her personality has never changed. It looks like our personalities just never changed since I moved to Ohio.
Yeah. Anyways, let me go get changed and I'll drink.
Okay.
You want to know what I was doing?
Tell me Lonnie's reaction. Tell me.
She was upset and happy at the same time.
Was she happy that I was coming back to Ohio? I mean, to oh my god, I can't speak. Brookhaven?
Yes.
So have you talked to her at all?
Oh, yeah, I proposed.
What did she said? Did you tell her I was pregnant?
Yes.
Call her right now. Yeah, you can call her. I talked to her before. She's really nice. You know?
Guess what?
Hmm.
Mommy. I've been married. I'm at Marigold.
Uh-huh.
It was a mistake that I said there.
Okay, tell me. Just tell her.
Marigold's for good.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Can I talk to her?
Yeah, here you go.
Hi. I'm so excited, aren't you? Yes, I'm really excited. I'll update you soon. Here's your phone back. Here's your phone back, Flower. Do you want to go tell my mom?
After we swim.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll go in the pool and wait for you. Do you like remember your reaction when you saw my haircut?
What?
Do you remember your reaction when you saw my haircut for the first time?
I was surprised.
You didn't ever expect me to cut my hair, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it was down to my thighs when you...
Mm-hmm.
I'll be in the pool waiting for you.
Okay.
Flower, are you ready to tell my mom?
Oh, yeah. You should call her first.
Okay. Hello? Mom, Flower and I are coming over. Okay, we'll see you soon. We just gotta change. Okay, let's go change. Okay, gotta comb my hair. Flower, I'm coming! Oh, nice look. Let's go. No one can suspect that we're home, right? Has this place changed a lot since... I don't know if this place has changed a lot since I got back or anything. What's changed about this? Close the blinds, too. I mean, it's been 8 years since I moved to Ohio, and 3 years since... And actually, no, it hasn't been 3 years. It actually has been 7 years since I came back. I only spent 1 year in Ohio. Let's drive. I'll drive to my house. I'll get a car. I'll get my car. Are you surprised this isn't green? Get in. Let's go to my house. Or my old house. Or my mom's house. I'm so used to saying my house because it was my house for years. My mom didn't really change the house, did she? Hope she did. I haven't even seen my mom in forever. Mom! Come in! Hi, Mom. What's going on, guys? We've got some good news to tell you. You know how my boyfriend and I are getting married in a little while, as Flower already knows? I am pregnant. Oh my god, really? Yeah, I'm pregnant. Sarah's growing up. My baby Sarah is growing up. She's 8 years old now. Let's go tell Sarah. Sarah! Hi, Marigold. Hi, Sissy. Now, I understand you barely knew me when you were a baby, but... we've got some news to tell you. Oh, really? What is it? I know your brother's not here, but... I am pregnant, and you're gonna be having a niece. Oh my goodness! That's really cool! I can't wait! You seem excited. And I'm only 2 weeks pregnant, so... I'm not 2 months pregnant. I'm only about like a week or I'm only 2 weeks or 3 weeks pregnant. It explains why my pregnant belly's not here yet. Well, mom wants us to spend a few hours here. So, do you want to do that, Flower? Also, what happened to did your family move out of Brookhaven?
What?
Did your family still live here?
Yeah, they're just in a different spot.
This is the same spot as my house has always been in. Did they move?
Yeah, they moved to a different spot.
Move to a new house?
Yeah.
I can't wait! Do you know the gender? Yes, I actually do. Flower, tell her what the gender is.
It's a girl.
How many weeks are you? Or months? I am 2 weeks pregnant. Yeah, like, I don't know, her belly, like, when I was first got pregnant, my belly wasn't there either. When I was pregnant with Anthony. Where is Anthony? He's in college, you knew that. Oh yeah, I know that, I did know that. You own this house, but yet you never changed it. Yeah, I never really wanted to change it. Oh, Mom.
Oh my god, what do you want? Yeah, I know I'm late to the meeting, but right now I'm doing it. Well, I'll be there in a minute. Flower,
I'm Marigold. How many times do I have to correct you with this?
what?
I'm Marigold. You knew this. Why do you call me your name? Oh, I forgot you had a meeting today. Okay, I'll see you when I get home. Bye. Mom, I'm gonna go home, okay? Okay, honey. I can't wait to meet her. I can't wait to meet my little grandbaby. Okay, I'll drive you to your meeting. I'm gonna drive home. All right, Flower. I'll talk to you later. Time to drive home. Oh my god, that tunnel over there is where we went on that field trip. Gosh, this town, the look of it didn't change, but the feeling of it definitely did. Oh, look, good. They boarded off the, cut thing. Oh, my old work. Oh, God. I almost ran over that kid. Go park my car. And let's go up to the apartment. Oh. Oh, no. Dang it, Flower has the keys. I can't just interrupt her meeting, so I guess I'm gonna have to sit here for a while. That's Flower's car over there.